Hello, this is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing here in Albuquerque, and I'm answering basic plumbing questions that I get asked occasionally. The question I'm answering today is, how can I avoid a clogged up sink? Well, or let's say a bathtub also, or a shower. A bathtub and shower, almost always the plug is hair. You know, if you're like me, you're losing your hair and it goes down the drain and it catches in one spot. The best way to solve that problem is you simply put in a little wire hair catcher in your both your bathroom sinks and the shower, and then every week or so you just simply take it out and dump it. That stops that hair going down the line, which stops it from backing up. Let's say kitchen sinks. Lots of people have garbage disposals. They take the term garbage disposal a little too literally, and they put down a lot more stuff down their garbage disposal than they should. You know, the basic rule, you clean your plate off in the trash, and the little bit that's left over should go through the garbage disposal, no problem. Lots of people dump coffee grounds, they dump, I could give you a list of stuff people put down their garbage disposal, but, it's expensive to have a little backup that just, by paying a little closer attention to what you put down, it will save you money. Another problem is, let's cover toilets also. There's things you don't want to put down your drains that I see all the time cleaning out drains. Number one is tampons. I know, never flush tampons down the toilet. Number two is paper towels. Paper towels will cause the line to back up. They also sell these boxes that says flushable wipes. And because I've been cleaning them out of sewer lines for 35 years, don't flush them. You'll save yourself time and money. And the other is just regular baby wipes. Lots of people, it's a quick, fast way to get rid of them. But if you flush them constantly, you'll probably be seeing me or another plumber to clean out your main sewer line. Other than that, hope your drains run clean. This is Kyle with Rocket Man Plumbing in Albuquerque. Don't back up, but if you do back up, I have the best sewer technicians in the state. Have a great day. Thank you.